So making sure that students in communities that are underrepresented and underserved, they have the opportunity to have hands-on activities and coding and things of that nature. So currently we're working in the Birmingham area. We're also working in rural communities as well. Dr. Adrienne Starks, Stream Innovations, Birmingham, Alabama. It's here. It's actually here. We are getting ready to see my statue as well as 119 other women that do phenomenal things. I'm super excited. You want to check it out? Let's go. So it's really cool to be celebrated. It's really amazing to be recognized for the work that I've done in Birmingham, but as well as being connected to these other women through my love of science, their love of technology, engineering, and math. Such an amazing honor to share this with other women that are here and to be able to answer questions and to see my family be able to see our statue. Is going to be, and I said our statue because I feel like I'm representing my family. I'm representing my ancestors. This is their wildest dreams for their child, their granddaughter, to have a statue in front of the Smithsonian connected to the National Mall in Washington, D.C., our nation's capital.